Hello friends, continuing with our series of videos on Sun in Gemini Ascendant, today we will talk about the last house, that is Sun being in the 12th house. And Sun in this Ascendant is the Lord of the 3rd house, where number 5, the sign Leo is written, and this is the Gemini Ascendant, where number 3, the sign of Gemini is placed. So when we look at the results, we will see the results of Sun that Sun will give when it is placed in the 12th house as the lordship of the 3rd house, and when in the 12th house Sun is in the house through which 3 nakshatras pass, and we will see the results of each of these nakshatras when Sun is placed in any of them. And in the end we will take a look at remedies, upayas and precautions which must be followed so as to get better results from Sun in this horoscope. The 12th house is generally known as the house of weakness, expenditure, losses. But all houses are not entirely bad and all houses are not entirely good. There is always a mix of results depending on combinations with other planets in the Dasha Antardasha. So when we look at these aspects, the first aspect is losses, which is financial losses. But financial losses only mean that the bank balance or the money with the person reduces. The money with the person can reduce by different means, that is, the person may spend money, the person may lose money, the person may invest money, or the person may repay their loan, and many such kind of things. So when Sun is placed in the 12th house, Sun represents the ego, the self-respect of a person. And in this case, the person will spend their money on ego or self-respect. That means they will buy things which they can show off to other people, and other people can praise them, and they will feel a more ego boost happening to them. The Sun representing the government would also mean that the person here may get government penalties, government fines and challans, etc. The Sun placed in this house also represents that the person may spend money on their younger brothers or on short travels, or the person may spend money on communications such as writings, books, magazines, newspapers, these type of things. Regarding the house signifying the person going away, the going away means that the person goes away either physically or mentally. When the person goes away physically, that means physically he goes away from his or her home. That means the 12th house would also indicate abroad or foreign countries. And since the Sun is the Lord of the 3rd house also, which is 12th house to the 4th house, which signifies the house of the person, home of the person. So we'll find the lordship is showing going away from home, and the placement is showing once again going away. And in case this Dasha Antardasha is connected to Saturn in any way, either at the planet level or at nakshatra level, the person will go abroad or to foreign country during this period. The person also goes away physically when the person goes to places like jail, asylum, where the person is away from home and is cut off from other people. And with Sun in this position, since Sun represents the government, we will find that the person will pick up a job either in hospital or in jail or in asylum. And the places where the person has to stay alone, he would prefer loneliness and solitude, where he can work alone at peace, calm, without any outside interference, such as chemical laboratories. Going away mentally means when the person goes to sleep, the person goes away from the rest of the world, and so the 12th house also represents the sleep pattern. And in case there is a bad influence on Sun in this position, in that case we'll find that the person may have disturbed sleep pattern. However, in generally we have seen with Sun in this condition, the person is likely to have a good sleep pattern. In some of the cases when malefics, for example, are placed in the 1st house, such as Rahu or Saturn being there, in that case the person will lose their sleep, as well as the person may not be able to get their breakfast in time or properly. Going away also means that the person may mentally withdraw from the rest of the world or from other people. And so we will find that this person may indicate behavior like becoming secret maintaining things to themselves, not communicating with other people, trying to remain alone or aloof. This kind of behavior may set in. This is also the house of moksha, which is the ultimate going away for the soul of a human being. And so we will find that when sun in this condition, the person may develop psychic abilities because the person withdraws into himself or herself. Also, with sun in this condition, the person may make a great sacrifice of himself or herself, or do a very profound service to the mankind in this condition. Sun as the lord of the third house representing our communications. The person will undertake a lot of communication activities such as writings, radio, television, printing press, etc. During this period, newspapers, news articles. The third house also represents our short travels, so the person will undertake a lot of short travels under the effect of sun in any dasha or antardasha. The third house also indicates our younger brothers or sisters, and from the third house, the 12th house is the 10th to the younger brothers and sisters. And so during this time, we will find that the younger brother or sister of the person may become very ambitious and they may have a promotion or advancement in their status during this period. Sun representing the father. From the house of the father, sun is placed in the 4th house and sun is the lord of the 7th house. So results will come accordingly. It will indicate the permanent possessions of the father, like the father may buy or sell permanent possessions such as a house or a car, vehicle during this period. And the father of the person may undertake a business during this period. In case there is a connection to good houses, then he will make profit and purchase the house or vehicle. However, if there is a connection with bad houses, in that case he will sell his house or vehicle during this period. When we look at the entire thing medically, then we will find sun represents the light or the eyes of the person, especially the right eye, and the 12th house also indicates the left eye of the person if he is male and right eye for the female. So in case sun is in bad dignity, bad aspects, we will find the person may have some problem in their eyes, and especially if moon is opposite the sun in the 6th house, we may find that the person or his or her wife or husband may have a problem with one of their eyes. In the 12th house, the sign number 2, which is of Taurus, there are 3 nakshatras. The first nakshatra belongs to sun itself, the second to moon, and the third to Mars. So when sun is in 0 degrees to 10 degrees in this house, we will find that sun is in its own nakshatra and will give the results what we have discussed earlier in this video. When sun is placed in the sign Taurus in this house from 10 degrees to 23 degrees 20 minutes, we will find that sun is in the nakshatra of moon, and moon is the lord of the 2nd house. So the effect will be regarding the money of the person. If there is a connection with good houses and good planets such as Mars, we will find during this period the person will gain money. However, if there is a connection with the 8th house or the 6th house, in that case, the person may lose money. The third nakshatra, when sun is from 23 degrees 20 minutes to 30 degrees, that is end of this sign, sun will be in the nakshatra of Mars, and Mars is the lord of the 11th house and the 6th house in this horoscope. So other than where Mars is positioned, the result of Mars will come. However, the results of the 6th and 11th house will also come, and 11th house is the house of gains and wish fulfillment. So this becomes a very good condition, and we will find that during this period the person may pick up a job or may get a loan if he is applied for it, or in case the person has a litigation, the person may win in the litigation. So overall, when we look at the position of sun in this house, we find all the results are not bad, because while it may indicate hospitalization losses, it also indicates investments. It also indicates a person being able to go abroad to foreign countries and these kind of things. And so we must take some remedies, upayas or precautions so as to get best results from Sun when Sun is placed in this position. In order to get best results from Sun when Sun is placed in the third house of Gemini ascendant, the first remedy is to pray to Lord Sun in the morning. Offer water to Lord Sun in the morning. Read Gayatri Mantra. The next remedy is to give respect to your father and take his blessings. Doing these things enables Sun to give you better results in your horoscope. In case there is a need for remedies, in that case the items of Sun are donated, for which you can see our previous videos. I hope you would have understood the basics of Sun in the 12th house in Gemini ascendant. See you in the next video. Thank you.